Looking for the ultimate floor-standing speakers to upgrade your sound system in 2025? Whether you're a music lover, audiophile, or home theater enthusiast, the right speakers can make all the difference in sound clarity, bass response, and immersive listening. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best floor-standing speakers of 2025, breaking down their performance, technology, and value, so you can find the perfect match for your setup. From deep, room-filling bass to crystal-clear highs, these speakers bring high-fidelity sound right into your home. So let's get started. Meet the Acoustics 5050, the flagship floor-standing speaker from the award-winning 5000 series. Designed for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts, it delivers powerful, dynamic, and immersive sound to fill even the largest rooms. Equipped with advanced driver technology, the C3 continuous curved cone blends deep bass with crisp mids and highs, while the fully sealed, mechanically isolated tweeter ensures exceptional clarity. Beyond performance, the 5050 features a sleek, modern design with a dark acrylic baffle and comes in 4 stylish finishes to complement any space. If you're looking for top-tier sound with elegant aesthetics, the Acoustics 5050 is a game-changer for stereo setups and home cinema experiences. The Wharfedale Diamond 12 series, a floor-standing speaker designed for pure, natural sound and powerful bass performance. With a 2.5-way design, dual 5-inch bass mid-range drivers, and a 25mm textile dome tweeter, it delivers detailed highs, rich mids, and deep, impactful bass. Engineered for home cinema and hi-fi setups, the Diamond 12.3 and 12.4 models feature a resonance-controlled cabinet with intelligent spot bracing, reducing vibrations for clear, distortion-free audio. Plus, its advanced crossover network ensures seamless tonal balance and a wide, immersive soundstage. Designed for stability and ease of placement, it comes with adjustable spikes for uneven floors, by-wire terminals for enhanced connectivity, and a sleek, screw-free front plate for a clean, modern look. If you're looking for audiophile quality sound, deep bass, and a refined design, the Wharfedale Diamond 12 series is an exceptional choice. Experience powerful, high-fidelity sound with the Klipsch RP8000F2 floor-standing speakers. This premium system features 2 floor-standing speakers designed for exceptional clarity, deep bass, and immersive audio performance. With an upgraded 90 degrees by 90 degrees Tractrix horn, the RP8000F2 delivers wider dispersion and precise sound imaging, while the 1-inch LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter ensures detailed highs with minimal distortion. The all-new Cerametallic woofers provide flawless sound reproduction, reducing distortion while maximizing efficiency. Plus, with dual input terminals, you can buy wire or buy amp for enhanced mid-range clarity and advanced customization with separate amplifiers. If you're looking for dynamic, room-filling sound with audiophile-grade precision, the Klipsch RP8000F2 is a perfect addition to your home theater or hi-fi setup. Experience powerful cinematic sound with the Polk Signature Elite ES60, a high-performance tower speaker designed to bring your favorite movies, music, and games to life. Featuring a dynamically balanced acoustic array, this speaker delivers room-filling, immersive audio with its 1-inch Terraline tweeter and 3 6.5-inch woofers. Polk's patented PowerPort technology enhances bass response by minimizing distortion, ensuring clear vocals and deep, punchy lows. With high sensitivity and 4 and 8 ohm compatibility, the ES60 is perfect for streaming Dolby Atmos and DTS-X content from platforms like Apple Music, Spotify, and Amazon Music HD. Plus, its bold, modern design makes a statement in any home theater setup. For easy setup and optimal placement, the ES60 features dual gold-plated 5-way binding posts and rubber feet for stability on both carpet and hard floors. If you're looking for exceptional clarity, powerful bass, and sleek aesthetics, the Polk Signature Elite ES60 is a must-have. Step into the world of high-fidelity audio with the MartinLogan Motion Foundation series, where renowned sound quality meets affordability. Designed with 40 years of engineering expertise, these speakers bring true hi-fi performance to a wider audience. Featuring the Gen 2 Obsidian Folded Motion Tweeter S, these speakers deliver incredible detail, clarity, and precision. Paired with a folded motion waveguide, the sound is smooth, controlled, and immersive, ensuring a consistent listening experience across the room. For deep, dynamic bass and crisp mids, Motion Foundation models utilize aluminum mid-range and bass drivers, inspired by MartinLogan's high-end Motion XT series. Plus, McCracken-Voitko crossovers ensure low distortion and peak performance. Available in black, satin white, and walnut finishes, these speakers blend seamlessly into any space. Whether you're building a stereo system or a home theater setup, the MartinLogan Motion Foundation series delivers an exceptional audiophile-grade experience at an accessible price. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best floor-standing speakers of 2025. Whether you're looking for audiophile-grade clarity, powerful bass, or a speaker that blends seamlessly into your home theater setup, there's an option for everyone. A great speaker can transform your listening experience, bringing out every detail in your favorite music and movies. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and audio gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.